You're constantly thinking, I want that job. I need that breakthrough. I need to prove myself. When you say, I want this, your energetic frequency is broadcasting, I don't have it yet. Today in this video, we're going to break down the exact spiritual and scientific blueprint to move from wanting to being. Your brain possesses a highly sophisticated filtering system called the RAS, the Reticular Activating System. You are teaching your body emotionally what your future feels like. How will I get this interview? Who's going to help me? Who will introduce me? What if the market is bad? The universe does not respond to your words alone, it responds to your vibrational frequency. But in this reality, the breakthrough that you've been looking for has already happened. How does it feel to look at your phone and see a bank notification that reflects your true worth? See them holding your hands, looking into your eyes and saying, we're so proud of you. Hold on to this feeling of gratitude to the universe of someone who already knows their victory is guaranteed. Commit to this 5-minute shift every morning for the next 21 days. I am today ready to step into my new reality and identity. Have you ever noticed the harder you chase something, the faster it seems to run away from you? Think about your career right now. You've perhaps been trying to manifest your dream job. You've done your best to prepare for interviews, circulated your resume. You're spending hours worrying about how to boost your career. You're constantly thinking, I want that job. I need that breakthrough. I need to prove myself. But in the language of the universe, most importantly, in the language of your subconscious mind, the word want is a confession of lack. When you say, I want this, your energetic frequency is broadcasting, I don't have it yet. And as per the law of attraction, you will only be attracting who you are. That means what you vibrate with. If you want a quantum leap in your career over the next 21 days, you must consciously stop chasing opportunities from a state of lack. You must shift your identity entirely to match the version of you that already has that job, the one that is already earning that income. Today in this video, we're going to break down the exact spiritual and scientific blueprint to move from wanting to being. And watch this video right up to the end. I'm going to guide you through a powerful 5-minute morning ritual that will help you rewire your brain to attract your dream career. Do you know your brain possesses a highly sophisticated filtering system called the RAS, the Reticular Activating System, that filters out millions of bits of information every second to keep you from going into the sensory overload. It only lets into your conscious awareness what it thinks is important for your survival. If your current identity is, I'm struggling in my job, I'm stressed about my bills, your RAS will literally blind you to creative ideas, even subtle opportunities that could actually elevate you. It keeps you locked in your current reality. Why? Because that is what you have trained it to look for. But here is the wonderful truth about the human brain. Your subconscious mind cannot tell the difference between a real physical event and an imagined emotional experience. So when you mentally hold on to the feeling of having something, when you feel the relief, the pride, the confidence of living that reality, your brain begins to fire and wire new neural pathways. This is neuroplasticity. You are teaching your body emotionally what your future feels like, even before it has physically manifested. Suddenly, your reticular activating system shifts. You start noticing those right emails. You start to speak to the right people. Why? Because now you're not begging for a job. You are stepping into a space where you have already emotionally been. You stop reacting to your current environment and start commanding your future. So before we begin with the 21-day routine, let's address why most of us fail when trying to manifest a career shift. The 3 important traps we must avoid. Number 1, desperation loop. We spend a lot of time visualizing our dream job, but then we spend so many hours in the day checking our phone, checking our emails, feeling anxious and frustrated. This anxiety completely wipes out our morning alignment. So, desperation signals lack, and true abundance, remember, feels like ease. So, be conscious of what you're feeling when. Mistake 2, fixing the how. The moment you decide on your dream career or job, your logical mind tries to map out every single step. How will I get this interview? Who's going to help me? Who will introduce me? What if the market is bad? The how is not your business, remember. The how belongs to the universe. Your only job is to hold on to the vision. So even if the current situation or job market is not looking good, it doesn't matter. Your job is to focus on what you want. The subconscious and universe will bring that opportunity to you. You simply focus on lifting your vibration and emotionally feeling it now. Mistake 3, trying to be too logical about it. Manifestation is not an intellectual exercise, it's an emotional reality. So if you are repeating affirmations like a robot, but your mind is gripped by fear, nothing on the outside is going to change. If you're constantly arguing, but who knows, I don't know if this is true, and you're looking for assurances from other people, then your words are demonstrating a lack of trust. And remember, simply mechanically repeating also something is not helping you. You must feel it. You must pause and reflect on what you're saying. The universe does not respond to your words alone, it responds to your vibrational frequency. So whatever practices you're doing, whether it's journaling, affirming, meditating, you must do it by reflecting on how it is making you feel. So now, to experience the quantum leap, let's commit to this ritual every morning for the next 21 days. The moment you wake up, remember to do this, because in the morning your brain is still in the impressionable theta state. Come, let's practice this together now. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, let your shoulders relax. Take all your attention onto your breath. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth and relax. Imagine you're breathing in infinite possibility. And you're slowly exhaling all the tension, all the worry, all the stress and the fear. Now, I want you to imagine yourself waking up exactly 21 days from now. But in this reality, the breakthrough that you've been looking for has already happened. You have perhaps received your offer letter, signed the contract. Your dream job is yours now. See yourself sitting at your desk, walking into your new office space, or perhaps being appreciated and rewarded by your seniors. Look at what you're wearing. Notice the texture of your clothes. Notice the posture of your body. Look at the calmness, the confidence on your face. Hold on to this version of you. Let your body feel it right now as you're imagining it. How does it feel to look at your phone and see a bank notification that reflects your true worth? Feel that sudden rush of relief in your chest that you finally have what you've always desired. Hear the voice of someone you love saying to you that they're so happy for you. This person could be your partner, your parents, a friend. See them holding your hands, looking into your eyes and saying, "We're so proud of you. We're so happy to see you so successful." Feel the warmth of their love, their hug. Allow this feeling of having brought so much joy to your loved ones enter your heart, your body, your aura. Allow this feeling of deep, profound gratitude for this new reality that has manifested to expand in your heart. You are no longer just looking at that dream. You are looking from the dream now. Hold on to this feeling of gratitude to the universe. Feel these words, "Dear God, dear universe, I'm so grateful that you have brought in so much joy into my life, that you have brought so much abundance and happiness in my life. Not only has my dream come true, but my loved ones are so happy, and I am so blessed to see them so happy. Let this feeling of gratitude for God and the universe be expressed through a smile on your face. This is your true identity. This is your new home frequency. Place both your hands on your chest. Rub your chest gently as you keep repeating the words, "Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God." It's now time to take a deep breath. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Relax. Repeat with me the following words. I am open and ready to receive all the blessings universe has chosen for me. I have stepped into my power and I am so grateful. I trust the timing of my life. I am experiencing abundance in every area of my life. I feel so appreciated and supported. I spend my day with so much love, peace, and joy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Let's now take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose slowly. Exhale through your mouth. Relax. Slowly open your eyes. Continue to hold a smile on your face. As you have gently opened your eyes, remember you're still carrying this feeling with you. That you are now successful. That you have now achieved the clarity, the success, the abundance that you have always desired in your career. Now remember, do not keep looking for signs or assurances. Do not wonder when it will happen. Walk through the rest of your day with the quiet confidence of someone who already knows their victory is guaranteed. Commit to this 5-minute shift every morning for the next 21 days. Before you leave this video, just make a strong commitment that I am today ready to step into my new reality and identity. Comment, I step into my new identity today. Let this be your first declaration to the universe. If this resonated with you, please remember to listen to it every day and share this with someone who needs a breakthrough. And I'll see you in the next session. Namaste, God bless.